stumbled on something awesome, which is a business of banded mongoose. So a business is the collective term given to mongoose. And we can see them using their hind legs to stand up there, much like a meerkat. Look at them all moving, this is so cool. So they are quite a communal mongoose, the banded mongoose. They live in packs, much like the dwarf mongoose. So you'll see them quite often together. Well, most of the time they're always working together in this community. And there's no guessing as to where they get their name from, the banded mongoose. You can see it very distinctively on their back. This is epic.
Bring your class on a live African safari. For a chance to join an educational and interactive game drive, apply for a school session. Go to schoolbookings.wildearth.tv.